And welcome back. Breaking. It's a bloodbath for U.S. Steel. U.S. Steel has reported a loss of over 240% of their expected earnings, sending the stock price reeling down 25%. From Investors Business Daily, U.S. Steel plunged early Wednesday after the steel giant reported a surprise first quarter loss late Tuesday. The news sent several other steel stocks lower, including Steel Dynamics, Nucor, and AK Steel. U.S. Steel reported an adjusted loss of 83 cents a share. Man, they're tanking. Defying views for 34% gain, sales came in at $2.725 billion versus estimates of $2.928 billion for the full year. The company expects EPS at $1.50, less than half of Wall Street's target for the $3. It expects adjusted EBITDA of the $1.1 billion. Shares of U.S. Steel plunged 24% to 23.5 soon after the opening bell on the stock market today, crashing below its 200-day moving average for the first time since March of 2016. AK Steel rallied 1.4% after erasing pre-market losses, but that's after failing 10.1% during Tuesday's regular session on its own poorly received report. Steel Dynamics sank 1.4% and Nucor 1.1%, but well off pre-market lows. Man, that's bad. Breaking. It's official. The Treasury Secretary has just confirmed it. Biggest U.S. tax cut ever. Treasury Secretary Mnuchin confirms Trump administration planning to lower the corporate tax rate to 15%. I can't even imagine I'm sure I would figure out what I could do with the extra money, but 15%, that'd be one of the lowest tax rates in the entire world. Companies will be flooding and flocking to the United States once again if that goes through. Ivanka Trump just made an unbelievable statement. Ivanka Trump on opening borders to Syrian refugees in the United States. That has to be part of the discussion. Yeah, I don't think so.
In Germany, her father's far from popular. The president's controversial travel ban, a stark contrast to Germany opening its doors to Syrian refugees.
Look at those idiots. Can you believe it? Germany has been invaded and is on the verge of cultural collapse and then economic collapse soon after that. And then you still have idiots that live in that country who want the refugees. They see the mass rapes, they see the killings, they see the welfare system being abused. Why these people still would insist that Germany must have open borders to the entire third world population is beyond me. They want to die. What else could explain this suicidal tendency? These people want to die. And it's unfortunate because Germany is the birthplace of a lot of engineering, and most would argue that America never would have went to the moon had it not been for German Nazi scientists after the Second World War. And these people are suicidal, and for whatever reason they wish to die. I'll never understand.
Ivanka Trump now going further than her father on whether those refugees should be let into the U.S.
I think there is a global humanitarian crisis that's happening, and we have to come together and we have to solve it. And you know,
does that include opening the borders to Syrian refugees in the U.S.?
That has to be part of the discussion, but that's not going to be enough in and of itself.
Well, be part of the discussion all they want. But us, the initiated, people that are in the know that this is nothing but an invasion, an attempt at an Islamic takeover over the Western Empire, and this is not the first time it happened, nor will it be the last.